Good morning, guys. It's April 11th, and we got another kitchen update going on today. Today, we are hitting another milestone as the guys from the stone company that's doing our countertops are coming out to do final measurements for the template to create our new countertops. That's exciting. I can't wait to see what that looks like. It's going to just transform this space. But we were busy the last couple of days getting ready for that. We had to have our stove in place before the countertop guys got here, so we had to do the flooring. And the flooring turned out amazing. Let me show you how it looks. As you have seen already, here is the kitchen with all the cabinets and stuff, our new stove over here, and look at the new floor. Look how good this matched. If you can tell me where the existing floor and the new floor starts and ends right there, I'll give you $1. Because the new flooring we got matched in so perfectly that it just makes a huge difference. We're gonna bring the refrigerator in this weekend. We were gonna do that yesterday, but we were too darn tired. And I've got cardboard there because I was moving the stove around. But dishwasher's gonna be coming in today, hopefully, but you can see how this floor looks. Actual hardwood floor, had never installed that before in my life. And I think it turned out pretty darn good. I rented a nail gun from the local rental place here in town and did some research on YouTube videos and figured out how to do it. We're gonna get new registers here and over there. Those are the old ones that are in there just temporarily. But you can learn anything on YouTube. So if you're looking to do a project like this, like a home improvement project, don't be afraid to try and to do something yourself. And you can learn anything on YouTube. I've learned so much on this project, from putting the LVL beam in the ceiling, to wood flooring, to moving the ductwork. All that stuff I figured out on YouTube and saved ourselves a crap ton of money doing it. So don't be afraid to try things. Next update, we will have, hopefully the range hood will be installed and countertops, and be getting ready to do finished stuff like tile and paint and all that kind of thing. So that is our short update for now. Stay tuned for episode 8 coming out soon.